Manual massage, clear channels, promote blood circulation, recommended duration, 10 minutes. Apply some oil to your hands and warm it by rubbing them together, then spread it on the abdomen. Alternately knead the belly with both hands. Lift from the waist side to the groin with both of your hands alternately. Repeat on the other side. Alternately push the ascending colon up, the transverse colon sideways, and the descending colon down using both hands. Overlap your hands and move in small clockwise circles around the navel. Lift the belt vessel on both sides of the waist with both hands alternately. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply gel evenly. Treatment application. Clear channels, firm skin, and shape body. Select rejuvenation. Tap the treatment button. Choose Tight 02. Tap the start button to initiate the treatment. Move the applicator in small circles around the navel. Move the applicator in big circles around the navel. Move the applicator up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the applicator. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the applicator and your hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Note: avoid sauna, hot springs, or strenuous exercise after treatment. Take a shower 4 to 6 hours later after treatment. Keep warm, do not eat cold, spicy, or stimulating food. Drink a lot of warm water, and keep hydrating to promote metabolism. Take 1 to 2 sessions a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.